In this tutorial, I will show you how to use full screen mode in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the Canva homepage, open an existing design or create a new project so the Canva editor appears on your screen. After your design opens in the editor, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see an icon with two arrows pointing outward. This is the full screen button. Click this icon and Canva will expand your design to fill the entire screen. All the side panels, toolbars and menus will temporarily disappear so you can focus only on your design. Full screen mode is useful when you want to preview your design without distractions or check small details more clearly. It is also helpful when you want to show your design to someone during a presentation or screen sharing. If you want to exit full screen mode, move your mouse to the bottom right corner again and click the exit full screen option, or simply press the S key on your keyboard. Your Canva editor will return to the normal view with all the editing tools visible again. That is how you use full screen mode in Canva.